Jerry, you succeeded in making the pineapple jackfruit tacos.
Fire!
It was so good.
Man, y'all.
Like I didn't even miss the meat. Like it was so good. So guess what? We're about to make dessert now. You ready?
Let's do it.
We're gonna be making coconut rice pudding. Have you ever made this before?
I've never made it before, but if it's gonna be anywhere near as good as what I just had,
then you're in.
I'm good.
All right. So right now for this recipe, we're gonna have some water, some agave, cinnamon, nutmeg, pumpkin pie spice, vegan-friendly basmati rice, coconut flakes, and then my favorite fruit medley. I have some kiwi, watermelon, cantaloupe, pineapple, which we just used in the tacos, and then we're adding my mom to this recipe and adding some mango. So just so you know, the flavors are just gonna be coming.
I'm ready.
You're ready?
I think I'm ready.
Your stomach better be ready.
I don't know if it's ready, but I think I'm ready.
All right, let's head over to the stove, guys.
Let's do it.
All right, so Jerry, what we have here is my secret ingredient, the coconut beverage. You're just gonna put that in there. You see that?
Coconut beverage.
Yes.
Never.
This is making it like the pudding. You know, it's nice and moist and creamy. You see that?
No coconut beverage.
Oh my gosh. And then you're gonna add your cinnamon. Look at that.
Yep.
Boom.
Right there.
Do you see what you smell it? Do you smell it?
Like Christmas.
It smells like Christmas. Wait, we gotta add the nutmeg for it to smell like Christmas. Come on.
Oh.
Now it smells like Christmas.
That's what Christmas smells like.
What you smelled before was Christmas Eve.
Yeah.
Now it's actually Christmas.
No gifts yet. Yeah, no gifts yet. And they ain't there yet.
And you know, let's just like add some Halloween in here and some
Bam.
Thanksgiving with some pumpkin spice.
That pumpkin spice. It's all the holidays today.
All the holidays in this dish. And then we're gonna add some agave to it. Look at that. So it's gonna make it like nice and sweet. Did you ever think that you could make basmati rice as a dessert?
I wouldn't put any of this in my rice.
Why not?
Ever. Until now.
Until now. But you know what? This is not only gonna be the best dessert for vegans. Like I feel like everybody should try it.
Yeah, I think so.
Right?
Like, why would you not?
But guess what? I'm gonna surprise you one more time.
What's up?
I got the coconut flakes.
The coconut.
We're gonna add some texture. We're gonna add some texture to this. Look at that.
I've never gotten so excited about coconut flakes. Coconut flakes.
We're adding. This is coconut rice pudding. You gotta have the coconut flakes texture to
the
it.
Consistency, like you can't even tell.
No, you can't even tell. It just blends in. It's gonna be like when you're family, when you take it to your family. You're gonna be like, wait, what?
What? And I'll be like, coconut flakes.
I'm sorry, Jared. What was that?
Coconut flakes. And I'm just gonna point. Coconut flakes. And what about the coconut beverage? Can you swap that out for like almond milk?
Absolutely. You could put whatever beverage that's vegan friendly.
Vegan friendly.
Vegan friendly. In there. So, you know, I chose coconut because this is coconut rice pudding.
Yep.
But if you wanted to add almond, you are more than welcome to. All right, Jerry. So what we're gonna do now this is done, we're gonna go back to the island, add some fruit to it, and you know, just wrap this up.
Yep. Let's do that.
Yeah, look at you. Look at your culinary
Look
skills.
at the boy. Look at me.
Look at you.
Grandma, look.
Look. What'd you say, Grandma?
Yeah.
Look at me. Look at me.
Okay. All right.
All right. Yeah, you can use to do that.
Yeah. Ooh.
No, that's okay.
Is that fine?
It does not have to be neat. I was just messing with you.
Okay.
All right.
That's tough for me to be neat.
Yes.
And
then you just like add some fruit to it and then you eat it. So this is the coconut rice pudding. It's vegan friendly. You guys asked for it. We gave it to you. Jerry, like tell me, describe the flavors. What are you experiencing right now? You can find this recipe on my website, www.cookingwithcarlina.com, and my Instagram @cookingwithcarlina. Now that Jerry has swallowed everything, now he can say exactly.
Like the cinnamon with the fruit and like the small hint of
the nutmeg and the
all
pumpkin
that
spice. Yeah.
all that. It's good. It's another one of those like foodgasms.
Foodgasm. There you go.
Good.
All right, Jerry.
Hold on.
All right, you guys. We'll see you on the next episode. Bye.